guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another PIER1 dupe. So I'll be recreating this wooden wall decor. When I found it, I believe it was about $35 on clearance, but as you can see, sorry, no longer available, sold out, you can't find it. Anyways, we're going to be spending less than $5 on this using some Walmart craft sticks and then also a couple of Dollar Tree supplies. I will also be sharing with you guys a couple other things to kind of match that style. And again, it's PIER1 inspired. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. All right, let's get on to the DIY. Starting out with a Dollar Tree wreath, I went ahead and cut out the center 2 rings. That's going to be my base. And then I cut out some construction paper into that circle that matches the rings. I'm going to cut it in half. No, not cut it. Fold it in half and then fold it in another half. And I'm going to crease it really well because I'm going to be following those lines to make sure that my design is perfect. So I'm going to start aligning my craft sticks right onto that crease that I made on the center of the paper. So I'm going to start out with 4 of them. Once those are down, I'm going to tape them and then turn it around and trace where I'm going to cut. So once that first set is cut, I'm going to take another 4 craft sticks and then trace those and cut them also. But I'm going to keep really good track of which one goes where. That way it's all perfectly aligned once I do start gluing them on the paper. So then the ones that I traced and cut, I just flip them over and then put them on the bottom part. And it's a circle, so everything should be pretty much even. And then once those are painted, I'm going to lay them down again right on the center and then trace the very edges of those 4 craft sticks. I hope this is making sense. The reason I'm making a mark right there is because I want to take my other popsicle sticks that I'm going to align. Like, it's not on a vertical line, it's not horizontal, they're just kind of I don't know, you guys can see exactly how I have them on here, but it's super easy to just kind of follow the line on the edge of the paper and then also on the crease, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut those. I do say and then a lot, I'm not really sure why. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna align those on top of the first craft sticks and then cut those out. You guys, I hope this is not confusing. I feel like the more I talk, the more confusing it is, and it's probably just easier for you guys to kind of watch. I'm not going to show you guys exactly how I made every single cut on this, but you guys can kind of see the gist of it, and so you guys just kind of follow the design and then how you're going to cut your craft sticks. Feel free to use whatever colors you want. I just used white, black, and then a pewter gray mixed with a little bit of white also to create the shades that I wanted to. And then I also did leave some popsicle sticks just the way they are. This is really not as hard as it looks. I just feel like the more I talk, it's more confusing, and you know, you guys can probably follow along, but if you do have any questions at all, make sure you leave them in the comments down below. Okay, so now I'm going to take one of these Dollar Tree plastic curtain rings and then this cotton twine, and also I took apart a Dollar Tree mop and I'm using some of that yarn. I'm taking 4 pieces and then tying 2 pieces together and gluing them in the center of the curtain ring. Once those are tied, I'm going to take 2 pieces and then start making like a knot. Don't make it really tight. You want to leave it kind of loose so it has a nice little braided look without looking too tight. And I'm going to do that on both ends. Once that's done, I will go ahead and glue this to the back of my design. And then also taking some of the cotton twine, I'm just going to take several pieces, kind of loop them around and tie it at the top, as you guys can see here, and then trim the bottom. And then I also did wrap the curtain ring with some of the mop yarn.
How long can I keep up the pace? To fool myself, I don't need grace. Will you be there to catch my fall? Need to be sure you'll hear my call. Darkness around me and I don't know why it's so hard to let go. Why it's so
For these next 2 DIYs, I'll be using 2 of these terracotta pots from Dollar Tree. They do come 2 in a pot, and then also taking some Walmart jute rope. I'll be wrapping both of these terracotta pots. And then mixing these 2 colors together, I'm going to make a nice gray, and I'll be painting both pots the same as well.
I'll meet you down the line. You'll ask why I wasted my time. And I'll say
I'll be taking one of these Dollar Tree vases and wrapping it with that Walmart twine as well, or rope. I'm only going to go about halfway up on it. And then once it's all wrapped, I will be gluing it on top of the first terracotta pot.
trying so hard to run from shame, and I will not keep up the pace. To fool myself, I don't need grace.
So I'm going to be using some tape to just tape around the part that I don't want to get paint on. I'll be using some black and then also some white to do different sections on the rope. Once that's done, I will be taking some of that extra mop yarn and gluing it around the top of the glass vase and then also on the pot.
Will you be there to catch my fall? Need to be sure you'll hear my call. Darkness surround me and I don't know why it's so hard to let go. Why it's so hard to let
So once this is done, you can put a nice big candle in here, and then on the second terracotta pot, I'll be taking some of that mop yarn, also gluing it to the sides to look like handles. And that is it. Oh, I will also fill it with some moss and then some onion grass.
Why it's so hard to let go. Lost in the sight of you alone. Here I'll stay till dawn. The breeze in the sky sings me a song. Here I'll stay till dawn. Indiana rose. I couldn't see you on my way back home. There's beauty where you are. I wish I wouldn't have to go that far to see where you thrive. Hear your song in the sky. Lost in the sight of you alone. Here I'll stay till dawn. The breeze in the sky sings me a song. Here I'll stay till dawn. Lost in the sight of you alone. Here I'll stay till dawn. The breeze in the sky sings me a song.
That's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Again, like any video, I would love it if you guys gave me a thumbs up. It truly helps my channel out. I truly appreciate your guys' support. Leave me your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.